The first 10 days after all water on Earth became poisoned would be catastrophic. Life as we know it would rapidly cease to exist. Within hours, the effects would be felt globally. Any direct consumption of the poisoned water would lead to immediate and severe health consequences, including vomiting, nausea, dehydration, and potentially death, depending on the nature of the poison. People would quickly realize that tap water, bottled water, and even water in drinks like milk or soda are now deadly. Panic would erupt as the fundamental need for clean water becomes an impossible demand. Aquatic life, from the smallest plankton to the largest marine mammals, would begin to die off rapidly. Ecosystems would be thrown into disarray as the base of the food chain collapses. By the fourth day, dehydration would become a critical issue for humans and land animals. The average human can only survive about 3 days without water. Mass deaths would occur among populations without access to any unpoisoned reserves. Agriculture would grind to a halt as crops wither and livestock perish. The air might even become toxic depending on the volatility of the poison, and the lack of water would lead to a rapid increase in dust and airborne particles. The sheer scale of death would overwhelm any existing infrastructure for body disposal, leading to further public health crises. By the end of the first 10 days, Earth would be on the brink of an ecological collapse. Most freshwater and saltwater ecosystems would be dead zones. The stench of decay would be pervasive. The lack of water would also impact weather patterns, potentially leading to extreme heat and dust storms. Surviving humans would be those with access to previously stored, uncontaminated liquids, but even these supplies would be dwindling rapidly. The long-term health effects of exposure to the poisoned environment, even without direct consumption, would begin to manifest, including cancers and neurological disorders. The planet would resemble a barren wasteland, with the vast majority of life extinguished.